the auto sales industry. Not just it was the period when the discounts were on the higher side, but believe so that after that GST bonanza, there has been no stopping on the sales front. And for December 2025 as well, that's exactly what we have seen. And we have been telling our viewers that this time around, for all the segments, do expect a double-digit growth. And the companies have also delivered very well so far, because most of the companies have either reported an inline set, or some of the companies have managed to surprise us as well with the numbers better than estimates. On your screen, you can see names like Eicher Motors VECV, M&M Automotive Division, Maruti, and even Escorts and Tata Motors commercial vehicles were some of the numbers that were very good as per versus the estimates. So let's deep dive into the numbers, and firstly let's start with the passenger vehicle space. Herein we have seen Maruti Suzuki numbers were very strong at around 2.2 lakhs of units. Tata Motors did very well with a 14% jump on a YY basis, while for M&M as well, for their automotive division, it's a 23% jump is what the company has reported. Other than that, within the commercial vehicle space, that's where the latest excitement is, because do remember that post that GST bonanza, the consumption did pick from the leading spaces within the retailer basket, be it the two-wheelers, be it the cars, but now the commercial vehicle segment is seeing very good demand, and that's reflected on the numbers as well. Look at the number for Eicher Motors VECV, 10,384 units is what the company has reported, and that's a jump of 36% on a month-on-month basis. When it comes to Tata Motors CV division, 20% growth on a month-on-month basis is what the company has registered. And not just that, they're saying that the sales momentum is expected to continue for majorly all the segments across the CV. And for Ashok Leyland as well, very strong growth of 20% is what they have reported. Within the two-wheeler pack, look at the number for Eicher Motors Royal Enfield, reporting a number over and above 1 lakh is becoming quite a norm for Eicher Motors Royal Enfield, and that's once again is what the company has delivered, and they believe so that the demand and 2026 is looking more interesting. And lastly, from the tractor division, seasonally December is not that strong for the tractor industry, but this time around, because of good sowing season, healthy rainfall, and more income in the hands of the people, even the tractor space did so very well. It's a 38 to 39% growth on a YY basis is what Escorts and M&M have reported, and they believe that the next coming months also is going to be interesting. So all across the board, very good set of numbers coming in from the auto sales. Back to you.
Okay, Shrishti, thanks so much for taking us through that. Yes, some very good